with Mete and I.
Your destination to black-owned spirits.
We are on day 5 of Veda.
Guys, thank y'all so much for rocking with us for the past 5 days. Y'all, the feedback, again, like we said yesterday, it's been crazy. People been really giving us feedback and suggestions and ideas of what drink to make next. We actually got 2 cocktails, a blue MF and a Moscow Mule. So shout out to Keeping Up the Griffins for the blue MF. I ain't gonna say which one did it. And then the Catrins. And then the light at the Logans wanted the Moscow Mule.
Yeah.
Or was that Lore? I don't know.
I think it was the Logan.
I think the Logan. The Logan. No, I'm mistaken. So those are the 2 drinks coming up next. Well, we're gonna have time this weekend, so we want to be back in town to do it here. So those are the first two requests that we're gonna do. But today's video, guys, well, if those who don't know, for the next 31 days, since August 1st till the end of August, probably run to September 1st, because we start actually a day on August 2nd. But we'll be doing 1 cocktail a day for 31 days. We participate in Veda, which is vlog every day in August. Shout out to, again, Social Couplepreneur and Etna's World for the motivation and inspiration to participate in Veda this year, or Veda this year. I'm not sure how you pronounce it.
Veda.
We know Etna do it every year, so if Etna do it, so hell, you know what, why not we do it? So but then Sheldon again said, Anwar, Meet, y'all should do 31 cocktails instead of just doing just regular videos. So every day we've been dropping video. Today's the 5th day, and today's drink we will be making club favorite, Sex on the Beach. And so we're gonna be making cocktails all month using black-owned spirits. Today's spirit we're gonna be using is one of our favorite vodkas. As you can see, this is brand new. I literally just bought this yesterday actually. King 79, Meet, where they from, baby?
Home team, the great state of Alabama.
Montgomery to be exact. Shout out to everybody from the Gump. But King 79, shout out to my brother Cliff, my sis Coco.
Hey, family.
Y'all, this is an amazing product. But again, go back to watch our video. Y'all know we already talked about King 79, and it's nothing new here. One of our favorite, y'all go catch up. And we will be doing another review, as well as having Cliff and Coco back over here for another interview on this channel, because they was on Sippin with Me 9, on Me 9. Now we gotta have them back on Sippin with Me now, guys. But we're gonna do a Sex on the Beach using King 79 black-owned spirit. It's 6 times distilled, amazing tasting vodka. But let's not talk y'all to death. Let's make a Sex on the Beach. Alright guys, so here you have it. A Sex on the Beach. Shout out to King 79. I think the presentation came out looking good, guys. Remember, y'all, we're not experts. We just like what we like, because we like what we like. Hopefully pretty soon we will be taking bartending classes so we can make these drinks a lot better.
Your favorite mixologist.
Okay. But in the meantime, you know, the purpose of this is to show you how to make black options, how you can make your favorite cocktails with using black-owned spirits, easy from home. Let's stop talking. Let's get into this tasting, baby. Let's take this. Let's go and take this thing, baby. Let's taste this thing.
This one, you know what? No, it's perfect. I'm assuming.
I like it. I don't remember. I haven't drank a Sex on the Beach in a long time, but that's a good drink. We just follow the recipe, baby. Follow the recipe, baby. Taste that thing.
Y'all, this is good, right?
It's refreshing.
It's very refreshing. What you thought I was gonna say? See, it's
savory.
Very sweet.
And y'all know.
Sweet, savory, and refreshing.
Y'all, this is really good.
It really is, though. It don't have me sweating, but it's good. It's pretty good.
What we gonna do tomorrow, baby? Because these drinks are getting better and better every day as we get along, baby. We are really getting good at this, baby. All right, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, guys. Get to 200 ASAP, guys. We at 171, 172-ish.
Run a sub.
We're teetering around 171, 172, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get to 200 by this weekend, guys. Please share this out. I know y'all know someone that like cocktails. Everyone back in their college days love the Sex at the Beach. Even if you like the name of the drink alone, you know about Sex on the Beach, guys. So please share this video out. Share out the playlist that we got. All that playlist will be in the description below. Go back and watch our previous videos. We got episode 1 through day 1 through day 4.
We thank y'all so much for being here. We appreciate y'all. Keep showing up. We have about 26 days left.
We got a lot more days left.
25 left. Because it's day 5. Yeah.
That's it, guys. We love y'all.
Love you guys.
Follow us on Instagram, Sippin with me 9. Mete on the website.
It is shopmeteandi.com. Again, it is shopmeteandi.com.
All right, guys.
Shop with us.
We love y'all. Y'all see the Meet Us at the Bar shirt? Meet Us at the bar.
See y'all.
We got different colorways, guys. Now we out. Love y'all. See y'all tomorrow, day 6.
Still